Professor Panda says come gather near for a science show that's sure to cheer. With vinegar, baking soda, and fun, our volcano's magic has just begun. First, pour in the vinegar smooth and slow. Then sprinkle the baking soda, it's ready to go. Watch the bubbles rise, foam and grow. Our fizzy volcano putting on a show. See the frothy lava flow and spin. This is the science of fizz within. Mixing and bubbling in colorful streams. It's more than magic, it's science.